Alright, what's up y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Wood Shop, Good Shop Wood. I'm your host, Big Mike. So we got a bunch of these oak boards that have been plain down. Although they probably should be put on a joiner, to be honest with you. The reason why I say that is because I need to get some square edges for them, and I can't do that, and I can't glue them up, and I can't square them out if I don't have square edges for them. So I just came up with an idea so crazy that it just might work. So my idea would be, first I'm going to clear off my workspace, but my idea would be to take off this knob after I raise the entire DeWalt cutter to the highest setting that it can go, and take this knob off, flip the machine upside down, and use it like that. So I was watching some videos on YouTube, and they were saying how a joiner is better than a planer, and all a planer does is it puts downward force with the rollers underneath. Don't worry about it, it's not plugged in, I don't think. All it does is it applies downward force with the rollers on top. So if there's any cups in the wood, any bows, any flecks, any unevenness, it won't take it off. It'll just force it downwards, and then the board will spring right back to the shape that it was. So what I was thinking is, why don't I take my DeWalt planer and flip it upside down to turn it into a joiner. And they also mentioned that the planer will follow whatever's on the bottom. So if the rollers are pushing it down, which is something I didn't think about, but now that I listen to it, it actually makes sense. So the rollers actually force the wood and the cup out of, or the imperfections, I should say, out of the lumber. So why don't I take this and flip it over? And it's just an idea. I don't know if this is going to work, but hey, someone's got to give me some credit, you know? I'm going to lay down my power drill. Now, I want to roll it up all the way, just so that I can have space to work. Now, I don't know, again, I don't know if this is going to work, but let's see. So, that definitely needs a bigger hex bit. That out. So my idea is, once I take this knob off and I flip it upside down, I can then push the wood through over the top of it and not apply any downward pressure to get the wood flat on one side. Then maybe I could build a jig or something that's completely 90 degrees to, again, this is all hypothetical. I have no idea if this is going to work. I'm just, I don't feel like going out and spending another $500 on a blazer. remove this knob. I want to take everything off this workbench right now. And then I also want to remove the duct on the back. That is done with a Phillips head. Generator running, charging up the Ryobi batteries. So yeah, let me go ahead and take this off. I know this looks sketchy as all crud. It really does. It really does. But I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I could get a piece of wood just to hold this up, and then I'll turn the machine without stepping on the wire this way, just so that the wood can feed outwards. Slide it this way. Go forward just a little bit. And try to do this without taking the skin off my hand, you know? Well, yeah, let me give you an inside look. So you can see the cutter head right there. So yeah, I mean, hypothetically it would work. I don't see why not. So let's go ahead and give it a shot, and I'll see you guys back here in a minute. All right, so we're back. So let's see if this thing is gonna work. Let me try to find a piece of wood that can hold this up. Too short. This one. There we go. Just so that I can see. I don't really care about the out feed side. And yeah, let me get a wonky piece of wood. Something that so I got this big chunk right here that got like a lot of indents and stuff on it. See if it even turns on. So I think that if I were to build a feed for this, I think that if I were to build a feed for it, it could work, like a table, but like right here. But seeing how that the bottom is still attached to it, I don't know if it's gonna work. Let's try it again. like I said, maybe if I flip the whole thing over, and then made a table for it, that could be something, but like the feet just isn't long enough. I don't know. But yeah, let me, I'll do a couple quick passes to see if I can get it. I'll see you guys back here in a second. Alright, we are back. Welcome to another episode of Wood Shop, Good Shop Wood. I'm your host. Do not try this at home. Do not. This is for experimental purposes only. I never went to college, but hey, if I did, this will be it. This will be my moment. All right, let's see. So I put a bunch of wood down. I clamped it on both sides. It's pretty sturdy. The whole table will rock. I put a level there. It's probably about as level it's gonna get. Yeah. Thank you, all 10 of my fingers, for sticking with me through 31 years of life. And hopefully there'll be many more. All right, let's try it. That's janky. Alright, planar upside down, not a good idea. Not gonna work. I don't know what I was thinking. I'm sorry I even put you guys through that. That was an emotional roller coaster. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, do not try that at home, kids and adults and anyone watching. That was horrible. That was horrible. I put my life on the line for that one. Look how janky that was. Oh man. All right. So yeah, that's a bad idea. So I think I'm gonna have to go out get a joiner to make this stuff work. I don't know. What do you guys think? Leave it down in the comment section. I'm trying my best over here. You know. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you know, it'd be nice if it looked nice. Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna look nice, but you know, the point is to gradually get better. I'm just organizing some lumber over here, don't mind me. I do appreciate you all watching. Make sure you guys smash that like button, leave a comment down below. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. I'll let you know what else I got in store. I'm going to put all this stuff back together. Don't mind me. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.